Greetings fellow foodies! On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of restaurants to go to while in Athens, Greece. The following are our disclaimer. Our recommendations are based on price, taste, originality, hygiene, restaurant environment, hospitality, food presentation, and family friendly. The videos will have the pictures of food and restaurant in hope that you can sense the ambience within and decide which one is the most well suited for you and your loved ones. Some of the pictures presented are solely for reference, and some of the pictures are from the restaurant's profiles and specifications. The pictures are presented in an easy layout in hope to give better information for the viewers and future potential visitors. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one choice of top restaurant to visit in Athens will be Scala Vinoteca, with price starting from $57 to $72. We would like to recommend to you the truffle ravioli, the cod, the lamb, green apple, ricotta and tahini cream, ravioli with Williams pear, pecorino cheese, latello ubriaco, cantarellus mushroom, risotto, pasta stuffed with sweet potato, and fresh truffle. For dessert, try the lemon tart. Our number two choice will be Trata Fish Tavern, with starting price from $12 to $42. And the food focus will be seafood, Mediterranean, and Greek, with some vegetarian-friendly, vegan option, and gluten-free option. We suggest you try out the spicy Vita dip, the sardine risotto, the Greek octopus, the steamed seafood mix. Our number three choice will be Alexander the Great Greek Restaurant, with the food focus on the Mediterranean, European, Greek, and vegetarian-friendly options available. Try the moussaka, Greek salad, lamb ribs, octopus stifado, cuttlefish with spinach, grilled cheese feta, and gyros. Our number four choice will be the fish market, with the price range starting from $7 to $42, with the food focus on seafood and some vegetarian-friendly options. We suggest you try the oyster, the legs tartar, the carpaccio, the fried cod, the salmon quinoa, the risotto, and the sushi. Number five will be Rosalia, with price starting from $10 to $19. This is a grill restaurant that also offers vegetarian options and vegan options, and gluten-free menu. We suggest you try the grilled squid, the hummus, fried seafood calamari, the lamb rib, the pork, the grilled mushroom, the sausage, and the moussaka. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other video and our Instagram, JazzyFeast. Until next time, bye!